How to reset an Engo thermostat. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to do both a hard reset and a full factory reset of your Engo thermostat. If it is not working, if it's not connecting, not responding, not frozen, resetting it is a good troubleshooting step. Also, if you want to set this thermostat up someplace new and you just want to wipe everything off of it and start like it's a new thermostat, we can go ahead and do that as well. So for both of these resets, we're going to slide this cover open to the right to expose this area here. Now, if you just want to do a hard reset, this is going to reset the time. It's going to undo all your schedules, but it's not going to remove all of the user data and connections and everything like that. All we need to do is come in with a paperclip and simply press this reset button. Now, if we want to go ahead and do a full factory reset, what we're going to want to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to, first we're going to hit anything to light up the display, and then we're going to press and hold this check button for 5 seconds. You'll see after 5 seconds, it will open the advanced menu. It will be P01. Then we can use these arrows to scroll through those options until we get to the CLR option, and it should say yes here. We'll click again, hit the check to confirm it and confirm it again, and it will reset the thermostat, wiping everything off of it.